Essay 10 Tips. Writing an essay in English is a daunting task for many students. However, with the right guidance and tips, you can write a clear, concise, and persuasive essay. In this article, we will provide you with 10 tips for creating an English essay that will improve your writing skills. 1. Understand the essay question. Before writing your essay, it's imperative to understand the essay prompt. Read it carefully, and identify the main elements of the question. These elements include the topic, the purpose of the essay, and any specific requirements or instructions. Analyzing the prompt will help you stay focused on the topic and ensure correct answering. If you're unsure about any aspect of the prompt, ask your teacher or instructor for clarification. 2. Create an outline. Creating an outline is essential to writing an effective essay. An outline will help you organize your ideas and structure your essay logically and coherently. Start by brainstorming your ideas and grouping them into categories. Your outline should include the introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion, as well as any subheadings or key points you want to cover. Once you have an outline, you can start writing your essay, using it as a guide. 3. Use simple language. Writing in simple and clear language is crucial when writing an essay. Avoid relying on complicated or technical words that your readers may not understand. Instead, write in simple language that is easy to follow. Use short sentences, and avoid long and complex ones. Make sure your sentences are clear and concise, and get straight to the point. 4. Start with a strong introduction. Your introduction is the first thing your reader will see, so it's critical to make it strong and compelling. Start with a hook or compelling fact that grabs the reader's attention. Then, state your thesis statement clearly and concisely, and provide an overview of what you will discuss in the essay. This will help set the tone for the rest of your essay and give your readers a sense of what to expect. 5. Use evidence to support your argument. Providing evidence, such as statistics, quotes, or examples, is critical to substantiating your argument. It helps make your essay more persuasive and convincing. Use reliable sources, such as academic journals or books, and cite your sources properly. When citing evidence, explain how it supports your argument and relates to the essay question. 6. Write clear and concise paragraphs. Each paragraph in your essay should have a specific topic sentence that relates to your thesis statement. Use clear and concise language, and avoid lengthy or complicated sentences. Keep each paragraph focused on one idea, and make sure your ideas flow logically from one paragraph to the next. 7. Use transitional words and phrases. Using transitional words and phrases is essential for linking your paragraphs and ideas together. Transitional words and phrases help your essay flow smoothly and make it easier for your readers to follow your argument. Some examples of transitional words and phrases include however, in addition, nevertheless, and as a result. 8. Be concise. Avoid unnecessary words or sentences in your essay. Keep your sentences and paragraphs short and relevant. Make sure that every sentence and word counts and is relevant to your essay. Being concise will keep your readers engaged and interested in what you have to say. 9. Proofread and edit your essay. Proofreading and editing your essay is crucial in ensuring its freedom from spelling, grammar, and punctuation errors. Make sure your ideas are well organized and easy to follow. Check for clarity and coherence in your essay, and make sure your arguments are well supported by evidence. Read your essay out loud to yourself or someone else to catch any errors or awkward phrasing. 10. Use reliable sources. Using reliable sources, such as academic journals or books, is critical to supporting your arguments. Writing an essay in English can be challenging, but with the right tips, you can write a compelling, clear, concise, and persuasive essay. Understanding the essay prompt, creating an outline, using simple language, starting with a strong introduction, using evidence to support your argument, creating clear and concise paragraphs, using transitional words and phrases, being precise, proofreading and editing your essay, and using reliable sources are all important factors in composing an effective essay. By following these tips, you can improve your writing skills and produce well-structured, coherent, and engaging essays. If you have found this video informative and valuable, We invite you to explore Teacher Amin's YouTube channel for additional insightful content. By subscribing and liking our video, you motivate us to create more easy-to-follow and valuable content for you in the future.